Team, I hope you're ready to learn the first steps with me. By the way, I tried to mirror all movements for you, so I hope you can easily follow. For today's class, we don't start on 1, but we start on 5. So let's preview first the arm movements. So let's hit it with the left arm, let's hit it with the right arm, then you open both arms, bring them together and lift them up. Maybe some of you already know the movements from the warm-up. Let's repeat. So we hit it with the left, boom. We hit it with the right, boom. Cross your forearms, then you open, bring it together and lift. Again for the head. So we start on 5, 6, 7, and 8. That are the counts. I repeat it for you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's slow it down one more time before we add the feet movements. So we have 5, strong fist. We have the second arm. Then you open, pop the chest out, bring it in and lift. So feel free in your chest as you hit it with the left, hit it with the right, boom, boom, lift. So don't be stiff in your upper body, move your upper body as it feels good for you. So with the counts, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's add the feet movements. So we step out with the left as the arm hit it, then we step with the right, hup. Then there are no feet movements as you open, no feet movements as you bring it together, and when you lift the arms, you jump together, hup. That's it. Okay, let's repeat. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, and jump together on 8. That's a little introduction for today. So again, let's speed it up a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 ka. Yes, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a boom, a kick, boom. Yes, I hope you made it. So then we start with the first 8 counts, and guys, you have 3 different options. So it is very important for me that you choose your favorite option where you can feel the music, where you can enjoy your body and the movement, okay? That's what all my videos are about, just to feel amazing and to have fun with your movements. So we start to bounce backwards. I show you the movement from the side so you can really see what is happening here. So stay soft in your knees and you lean back like this. Boom, boom. Just start bouncing with me here. Good. Bounce back, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we bounce from left to right for 2. Switch for 2. Yes, good. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we bring the elbow up and we switch. And we switch. Good. Bring the right elbow up and the left. And the right. And the left. Good. That's option number 1. Okay? So just the bounce, 2 to the left and 2 to the right. If it feels good for you and you want a little progression, then you tap out. Hop. Hop, switch over, tap, tap. So as I lean to my left, I release my left foot and I tap into the corner like this, okay? That's option number 2. So let's combine it with the elbow. You have 1 and 2. Switch over. As you switch over to the other side, keep your left elbow high, and as you switch to the other side, drop the arm, and at the same time, my right elbow is coming up. So keep it in the air, and then I switch 1 and 2. Keep it in the air. 1 and 2. Hold and switch. Hold and switch. Good. That's option number 2. If you want a little progression, then here comes option number 3. Take your time. This is not an easy option because we're going to go for a jump. We jump open and close, open and close. It's like the tap, so we bring the left foot into the corner, but instead of tapping, we jump, hop and hop. And when I jump and I land, I lean back with my landing. Okay, so let me show option number 3 for you. So we have 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. So remember, when you land, lean back and the elbow is hitting the air. Okay? So 3 different options, you choose your one. We have this move, 1 to the left and 1 to the right. So here are the counts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Now you have 2 jumps onto the right foot. 1, 2. Now switch to the other. 1, 2. Now 2 single jumps. 1 onto the right, 1 onto the left. Then bring your feet together and we roll. Okay, just without the arms, only the feet movements. 2 jumps to the right, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, close and roll. Okay, let's add the arm movements because I think for this step, it's easier with the arms. Okay, so arms are pretty easy. We open, we close, we open, we close, hit it and roll. Okay, again, let's repeat it slowly. We open for 2 because we jump for 2. Then bring it together for 2, and then the single ones. Single, single. Now, strong fist, forearms are parallel to the ground, and then you roll down. I will explain you the roll later for a second. So again, let's bring it together with the jump. 7, 8, double jump. Double, double, single, single, boom, and go down. Okay, a little bit faster. So we have double jump first. 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's bring it together with the first counts so we keep the fluidity. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, so the count 8 and 1, you can hear very clearly a beat in the music. So try to really hit this movement on the beat. So it's strong and a sharp movement. We have boom and hey. Okay, the roll. I show you the roll from the side so you can see what's happening with my body when I roll. So I finished here on 8, and then I push my fists down, and first I'm gonna lift my chest. So lift your chest, and then you roll down, vertebra by vertebra, and the last step is just to sit down. So it's the hip. The last step is the hip. So first you're gonna lift your chest, boom, and then roll, 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 and sit. It's a fast roll, so don't take too much time, but when you practice the roll, really try to work as big as possible, and don't forget to sit down at the last to finish the movement, okay? So we have 8 and 1. It's just one count, so not too much time, okay? So let's do it from the very beginning, from here. Choose your variation for the first step. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. The double jump. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and roll. Okay. One more time. I show you option number 3 for the first step. 5, 6, 7, jump, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, double. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and roll. Okay, team. Let's turn on the music. And don't forget the introduction on 5, 6, 7, and 8, okay? For the introduction, you can hear some clearly beats as well. So let's go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Listen, you have 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3, and jump. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 1. Good. I hope you can hear the beats. 8 and 1. That's very clear, okay? 8 and 1. One more time with music. Let's go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Hit it. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, double jump. 5 and 6, single, close, and roll. Yes. Good. Catch your breath. Woo. Love that song, love the beats. Let's add the next 8 counts. So we rolled on 1. So I already showed you the next count 1 because the beats are super clear. So you have 8 and 1. Now on 2, you just clap. There's also a clap in the music. So let's clap in front of your face, and then you release your right foot and you step out. Push your knees to the side, and then you shift your weight onto the left, and we continue with a slide to the right. Hop. That's it. So we roll on 1, we clap on 2, we step out on 3 and 4. Okay, arms are not that complicated. So we have the clap, then I bring my hands to my knees, boom, and as I slide, I support the slide movement with an arm wave with the left. Hop. So dive in with your left hand like this. It's just boom, boom. Yes. Okay. So the arm movement perfectly fits to the leg movement. One more time. So we have 8, 1, clap on 2, 3, and 4. Now you have your weight on your right foot, right? I hope so. So we're gonna go for a tap in front of your right. Hop. Then, find your balance. Tap back, and now you lift your heel, or you touch your heel like this. And then you bring your weight back onto the left. Okay, let's repeat this. We have open and slide. We have tap. We have heel. Boom, bring your weight on your left. Now start with your toes. Toes, heel, toes, heel. So you bring the left foot in. First, bring the toes in, then the heel, then again the toes, and then the heel. And with the last footstep, you can enjoy some freestyle arms. So move your arms as it feels good for you. Hop, hop. Maybe you bring the arms up over the side. Maybe you want to roll. Maybe just one arm. It's up to you, okay? Little freestyle part. Okay, let's repeat from here. So we have 8 and 1. Clap for 2, knees out. Shift your weight and slide. You tap forward, tap your heel, and you go toes, heel, toes, heel. Let me show you the counts. 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Got it? One more time, try it with me. So we finished here on 8, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, so let's bring it together, the first 8 counts and the second 8 counts, and then let's try it with music, okay, team? So we finished the introduction. 7, 8, you have 1, 2, 3, double jump, right, left, single, bam, bam, boom, and a 1. Clap, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and toes, heel, toes, heel. Good, amazing. Speed it up, and then let's turn on the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and a 3, double jump, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and a roll. Give me a clap, knees and slide forward and the heel and toes, heel, heel. Woo, okay, let's do it with music. With the introduction, count with me. So you have 1, 2, 3, step out with the left, right, boom, boom, hey. 1 and 2, 3, double jump. Come on, boom, roll, clap, knees and slide, tap and heel and woo! Yes! Amazing, catch your breath. I hope you made it. So now it's time to enjoy the music. Move your arms, move your upper body as it feels good for you here with the last. And don't forget to move when the music starts. So here we go. Little freestyle at the beginning. Come on. Catch the beat. 1, 2, 3. Left arm first. Left, right. Your option. Huh. Double jump. Single. Roll. Down. Clap. Slide. Huh. 3 arms. Woo! Amazing! Hope you made it. You want to learn the rest of the choreography as well? Then hop on over to my online studio over here and enjoy the first 7 days free trial, or continue with one of my short but free YouTube dance tutorials over here. See you there.